Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Whoa, this camera. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today it is cloudy, funky, and gross outside. But I've got something that came in a new My Crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. That's not funky, dingy, dark, or gross. That's pretty rad. So what do I have? I've got this. It's a company called Toei, T-O-E-I, Toei, and this is their NonCup green onion shoyu, or green onion soba. So if you look at this, it's called NonCup because it doesn't come in a cup, it comes in a pack. And it mentions, green onion. So this is another one that you steep 400 mils of water. Here's the pot. And literally you just throw. That was close. What you do. See, it could be in a cup or a bowl because it's round. And then here is the seasoning and such, which goes in now as, right, yeah, because you put it all together and when it's done you stir it up. So this goes for 3 minutes. And I'm going to give it a nice little flip. And try not to spill it everywhere because that would be really not cool. And there we are. We'll let it do its 3 minutes. Put a lid on her. Call it good. And now it's time to do our quote from the book Momofuku Ueno Speaks. This is a tome of knowledge imparted to us by the late great inventor of instant noodles, Momofuku Ueno. Today, the quote is number 113. Do not try to sell instant noodles. Sell food culture. Now we're getting into it. It's true. It's totally true. What is the biggest selling point of instant noodles? It's the cultural aspect of it. People are like, wow, this is exotic. I mean, that's what got me into it, was the exotic nature of the instant noodle. I mean, I got this yesterday at the 99 Ranch. Rosi rice noodles. This is river snail flavor, I do believe. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. Check that out. A big old cup. And it's a product of China, I'm guessing. But, yeah. Am I fascinated by it? Absolutely. Is it going to be one I love? Well, I kind of got a weird gig, you know. I review instant noodles. It doesn't matter if I like it or not. I'm going to add it to my list. What are we at? 3,810. That's what this one is. Number review 3,810. So I'm getting close to my 4,000th review, which means probably at the rate that I'm reviewing, I'll probably hit review number 5,000 the end of 2021. Maybe? No. Maybe somewhere in 2022. But that's really not that far off. Freaking 5,000? Are you kidding me? God. I've been doing this for a while. And I've been like really sticking hard on the diet this week. Although there was a new episode of The Mandalorian. Gotta order the pizza. There's nothing you can do about that. It's like Mandalorian requires pizza. But I guess there's got to be a bazillion more Disney Star Wars shows coming out. I don't know. I will go. I'm such a fan of The Mandalorian at this point. I'll go as far as to say is I like it better than Star Trek right now. Right now. My wife looked at me like I was absolutely insane. She's like, you must be drunk or something. There's no way. I really like it. I gotta say. Star Trek was great. Then they came out with movies that weren't all that great. Star Wars was okay, with movies that were, well, at least 3 of them were pretty good. And then they came out with the Mando, and that is like perfection. That's like sci-fi lore perfection. If you're not into sci-fi, you can tell me to go to hell. I don't care, but which is fun. But yeah, that's one show not to swear off. Now they're coming out with these new Star Trek shows that are absolutely horrible. Star Trek Discovery, God, what a train wreck garbage scow that is. And Picard, let the guy retire for God's sake. And don't call him, God, what are they calling him? JP? I don't know. It was just like, this is like the channel that brought you CSI, and it felt like I was watching Star Trek on CSI. This isn't bad. Broth. Very chewy. Very salty. One more shot of these noodles. Pretty sure they're buckwheat noodle. Are you even able to see that? Yeah, just barely. Here, how about we do this? Yeah, this looks like a buckwheat noodle. By the way, no, I never went to Peking University. I've never even been to China, although I'd really love to go. Point. Yeah, I like that. Alright, we're going with this bowl now. Oh, gadzooks. It's 43 after. You know what that means, ladies and gentlemen. It's crunch time here for the Ramen Raider. Yeah, it's got a nice green onion flavor. When the thing said on the Umai crate manual, comes with a pamphlet with information, but it said recommended toppings were green onion and chili pepper, but I'm gonna go with the shichimi. There we go. That's that. There's really not much else to do here. So let's see. I really wish I could get better lighting on these things. I apologize, but there's not much I can do at the current juncture. So let's rotate-o. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. See you tomorrow.